Daily Dems doing the work, making noise, and fighting back. This is a new daily series where I'll highlight, well, exactly that. This is Senator Patty Murray from Wisconsin. She, Chuck Schumer, Chris Murphy, and Andy Kim introduced a new resolution. It's very simple. Resolved. The Senate disapproves of pardons for individuals who are found guilty of assaulting Capitol Police officers. And the remaining 43 Democrats, yes, including Fetterman, co-signed the resolution. They're introducing this resolution by unanimous consent, which means unless someone objects publicly and vocally, it passes. So for it to fail, a Republican has to get up and say, I support assaulting police officers. I hope we see a resolution like this weekly. And while we're talking about her, Patty Murray gave an incredible speech on the Senate floor 11 days ago against the nomination of RFK Jr. She spoke about how he is literally responsible for kids being unalived in Samoa. I can't wait to see more of this from her throughout the week. Robert Garcia is the congressman from California, House District 42. Washington Post interviewed a bunch of Democrats about how the first week went. And Garcia said, I think we have to oppose him vigorously. I think the idea that we're talking about holding hands with DT and extremist Republicans and like kumbaya, I think it's a huge mistake. We know what he's going to do. We should oppose that and be very vocal and tough and push back. Veronica Escobar is the congresswoman for Texas District 16. And she went on a Cabrera this morning talking about the immigration mess. She called it political theater and explained in layman's terms exactly why he's not doing anything much different than Biden. He's just doing it way more viciously. It's about 6 minutes and it's definitely worth watching. And finally, this is Senator Dick Durbin of Illinois. Instead of doing so quietly, which he could, he is loudly requesting all material about a 2020 hostage recovery mission because he was given new credible information that Patel broke protocol for the second time. Patel's confirmation is still in committee, and Durbin is doing this as early and as thoroughly as he possibly can. So it's not that we don't have fighters. It's just that most people are only making noise about a select few. And that's by design. The more we have infighting, the more they succeed. So let's celebrate and lift up our fighters daily. Your voice is your superpower, but only if you use it.